Good morning, children. Let us learn the name of birds today. Do you know what is a bird? A bird has feathers. It is an animal, but it has feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. Birds can fly high using their wings. They use their feathers to protect themselves. They live on trees, a nest, and eat fruits, insects, seeds, and so many things. Now let us see one by one and identify some common birds. Now the first picture, it is black in color. It is regarded as a clever bird. Who is it? It's a crow. C-R-O-W, crow. This bird is green in color. It has a curved beak and sharp clawed feet, and it talks like humans. Who is it? It's a parrot. This bird is white and grey colored. It has a small feet and it loves to eat seeds. Who is it? It's a pigeon. It has colorful feathers. It loves to dance in the rain, and it is also the national bird of our country, India. Who is it? It's a peacock. This bird cannot fly, but it is a bird. It swims in water. It is also called water fowls, and it sounds like quack quack. Who is it? It's a duck. It is a very common bird. It lays eggs. We used to eat eggs of this bird. It is also called rooster. Who is it? It's a hen. Now it is the largest bird. It has a long neck also, and it cannot fly but runs fast. Who is it? Can you identify? It's an ostrich. Look at this bird. Owl. Owls have large eyes and flat face. They awake at night and sleep at daytime. Eagle. This bird is called eagle. It has very large hooked beak and it flies very high in the sky. Identify this bird. This bird is called hummingbird and it is the smallest bird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. This is sparrow. It is very small in size and brown in color, but it is very active in nature. Now children, one more time, just revise all the names. Let us start from the beginning. This is C-R-O-W, crow. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. D-U-C-K, duck. H-E-N, hen. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-W-L, owl. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. H-U-M-M-I-N-G, humming, B-I-R-D, bird, hummingbird. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow.